Hi guys, I'm doing some welding job. A friend of mine's car that they can't uh, install the transmission mount. Um, this car before has some repair, like um, bodywork repair, some collision repair, but they hasn't able to install the training mount anymore. But what I'm doing right now is just uh, building up some welding, as you can see on this right here. I'm pointing my finger at it. And then I have this one also. This one is okay, but I'm trying to get out the pieces of broken bolts out. Um, it is coming out, but I just started doing it a while ago, and I decided to make a video of it. As you can see, this one is a little bit deep, like an eighth of an inch deeper than the surface of the aluminum housing. But I'm gonna build it up right now and see how it comes out. Okay, okay. Uh, I'm using a flux core welding, so it's kind of messy looking at, like, but I make sure I clean the surface before in a way that, of course, it's set it up on a quarter-inch capacity on a welding and an 030 wire flux core. I'm using a multi-process welding machine. It's a 200 amps. It does pretty well for this kind of job, and I'm planning to use bottle of oxygen in this machine, but I is doing some repairs that are not too hard. The welding machine works with 240 volts and a 110 also. It have the plug, the adapter one for it. Pretty much it's built up already. So what I'm gonna do is just clean out a little bit and start doing the welding. This is very noisy. My scaler, and I'm gonna start welding, doing some bolts. Just to weld it. I'm gonna get this one first. This one, I'm gonna try to get it out. Hoping that this will solve the problem. I don't think right now it's not gonna come out. I mean, I have that experience doing it before with, of course, with other type of welding. But this is the way. I'm gonna try the first one. The first one out for sure. I think it's an 18 socket or a 19. I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna get both. I'm getting the sockets. Not sure. Yeah, it is an 18. So I got a ratchet with me, some extensions. See? We got the first one out, guys. So that's what I went on it, like easy and sure, for sure that it was gonna come out. I got the first one out, so I'm glad that at least this video wasn't like trying different times on the bolts, as you can see it right here. So we're okay on the first one. I'm not sure about this one because it was a little bit deeper, and I felt it like the welding didn't went too good on the first try. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the second one, but at least you guys have the idea how to do it. Make sure you like the video and give me some comments on it, please. Subscribe if you can. I don't know if you want to, doesn't have to be, but I'm just trying to do something good for, it's some job that I'm doing for a friend of mine that he's having a hard time, but the welding feels good. The welding machine, it's made in China. And a brand of those expensive machines. Of course, this machine I trust it pretty well because I know it's good. It's a good one, so I'm gonna give a try to the second one and see. It doesn't feel too good, so I'm gonna have to try it again. But before, I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit. It's gonna cool down. Stop it like this. Make sure that's all the help that I can do to get this out. But I'm gonna try it. Back and forward a little bit. Oh yeah, you guys hear that noise? You guys hear it? Well, for sure the bolt is moving. So okay, it's gone. But like I said before, I mean, this is what I had on, but I'm gonna keep going, give it a second shot. I'm gonna clean a little bit more. Oh, it was wrong. So the center of the bolt is an eccentric welding that I have done, so I went kind of this way, like this, instead of going right in the center, like right here. It was right here, so I know what it is. So I'm gonna keep going, guys. So I got the first one, I'm going for the second try, and for sure it's gonna come out. So you guys have a good one. I'm just trying to share some knowledge with you guys. Share please. I had to get all of this wiring out, the fuse box, the computer out, but anyway, just to make sure I have some room for doing my job. Thank you guys.